Okay, hello students, how are you? In my last class, okay, I have discussed about the units of some different types of reactions. हाँ, मैं थोड़ा रिपीट कर देता हूँ लास्ट क्लास. हाँ, उसके बाद हम नया टॉपिक स्टार्ट करेंगे. नाउ देखो, लास्ट क्लास में मैंने ये सिखाया था, देख लो. हाँ, यूनिट्स ऑफ, लास्ट क्लास का थोड़ा क्लास तुम लोग देख लो तो. हाँ, यूनिट्स ऑफ रेट कांस्टेंट, units of rate constants for different order reaction. Units of rate constants for different order reaction. मैंने लास्ट क्लास में थोड़ा तुम लोग को सिखाया था. For zero order reaction ना देख लो. नंबर 1, for zero order reaction. For zero order reaction, rate, okay, rate for zero order reaction, what rate is proportional to what? Proportional to the zero power of the concentration of the reactant. Okay, so we can write, let's see, suppose rate is for zero order reaction, rate is suppose this one, k a to the power 0. Why I put here 0? Because this is zero order reaction. Okay, from this, okay, from this k will be how much? K कितना था देखो, k will be rate by how much? Rate by A naught. Okay, now A is any reactant. हाँ, you can write here A, B, C, X, Y, Z. तुम लोग कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. But this represent the reactant. Reactant represent कर रहा है. Now देखो. Okay, for this, हाँ, K will be how much? K कितना होगा? K will be, what is the unit of rate? Rate का unit क्या था? Mol. Lita inverse, second inverse. What is the unit of this concentration? Concentration का unit क्या था? This is what? Mol what? Mol Lita inverse. Okay, clear? So this is 0. So this will be how much? This term, okay, this term obviously will be what? This term obviously 1. Anything to the power 0 means what? This is 0. So this is what? Mol Lita inverse, second inverse. So this is unit is what? Unit is mol Lita inverse, second inverse. Okay, now let's say this is the unit of rate constant for zero order reaction. Last class में मैंने दिखाया था. हाँ, now देखो, तुम लोग देख लो. हाँ, पूरा देख लो. यूनिट इज व्हाट? यूनिट को देखो तुम लोग, मॉल लीटा इनवर्स सेकंड इनवर्स. सो हाँ, फॉर फास्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन देखो, फास्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन का रेट कांस्टेंट का यूनिट देखो. फॉर फास्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन, फास्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन का रेट कांस्टेंट, व्हाट इज द यूनिट ऑफ रेट कांस्टेंट फॉर फास्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन? दिस इज व्हाट? रेट इक्वल टू क्या था? रेट इक्वल टू के A. This is order here is 1. Okay, because this is a fast order reaction. From this K will be how much? K कितना होगा देखो तो, rate by A. So this will be what? What is the unit of rate? Rate is what? Rate is mol what? Mol Lita inverse, second inverse. Now let's say concentration is what? This is what? This is mol Lita inverse. So now let's say this term will be cancelled out. ये term तो cancel जाएगा, mol per liter, mol per liter. So remaining unit is what? Remaining unit is what? This is second inverse. Okay, now let's say this is the this is the unit of rate constant for what? For fast order reaction का rate constant का unit है second inverse. Clear? Now let's say for suppose A, please remember this, the value of the rate constant for fast order reaction unit का ये रखना तुम लोग. Next for second order reaction का देख लो, देखो for second order reaction. ओके, लास्ट क्लास में भी ये डिस्कशन किया था. मैं कुछ सिखाने जा रहा हूँ इसलिए हमको थोड़ा रिपीट कर रहा है. हाँ, लास्ट क्लास में ये दिखाया था तुम लोग को मैंने. फॉर सेकेंड ऑर्डर रिएक्शन, सेकेंड ऑर्डर रिएक्शन. ओके, फॉर सेकेंड ऑर्डर रिएक्शन का रेट विल बी हाउ मच? रेट विल बी के. दिस इज व्हाट? दिस इज ए. हाँ, ए एंड पावर विल बी 1, पावर विल बी 2 बिकॉज दिस इज सेकेंड ऑर्डर रिएक्शन. क्लियर? सो दिस विल बी हाउ मच? दिस विल बी K will be how much? K will be rate by how much? By this one, A square. Next, put this value of the unit of rate. Rate is what? Mol Lita inverse. Next is what? Next is second inverse. And this will be how much? This will be mol Lita inverse to the power how much? To the power 2 square. After solve, इसको solve करना तुम लोग. This will be how much? Mol Lita inverse, second inverse. This will be how much? Mol square Lita to the power minus 2. After solving, you will get what? When this go upward, this is power is 1, so this will be how much? Mol to the power minus 1, and this will be what? This minus to go upward, this is minus to be plus, so this will be only liter. Minus 1 plus 2, this will be liter, and remaining part is what? Remaining part is second inverse. Now देखो, This is the unit of rate constant for second order reaction. Okay, देख लो पहले for zero order reaction rate constant का unit क्या था? For first order reaction this is the unit of rate constant. For second order rate constant का unit क्या था? Mole inverse liter second inverse. Now let's see from this now I'm going to do some numericals. थोड़ा हम numericals करके दिखाते हैं. Please remember this unit. Okay, now first one. Suppose question is this one. Question को देख लो. Now let's see. Please see the question very carefully. What is the order of reaction whose rate constant, okay, whose rate constant has the same unit as the rate of reaction? Okay. Now question में ये बोल रहा है reaction कौन सा reaction का order का rate का जो unit है ना rate constant का unit भी same है. And you already know what is the unit of rate of reaction. Rate of reaction का unit क्या होता है? Rate of reaction का unit mole. Now let's see mole liter inverse second inverse. This is the unit of rate of reaction mole liter inverse second inverse. Okay, now let's see. Now please see this unit this. Now let's see here this is what here rate constant can in देखो mole liter inverse second inverse. Now देखो same. Okay, here this is the rate of reaction but this is the unit of rate constant for zero order reaction. So same unit देखो mole liter inverse second inverse and this is what this is mole liter inverse second inverse. So okay, so your answer will be how much? Your answer will be zero order. Okay, so order will be how much? Order will be zero order. This means what? Means in zero order reaction the unit of rate constant is equal to the unit of rate of reaction. उसका तो rate constant का unit है ना zero order का mole liter inverse second inverse और rate का unit से भी same हो जाता है. देखो this is the unit of rate of reaction mole liter inverse second inverse. Okay, so answer will be what? Answer will be zero order. This will not possible. First order this will not possible because for first order reaction the unit of rate constant is second inverse. But here mole liter inverse second inverse is not equal to second inverse. Yes, match नहीं हो रहा है. देख लो ये this is also not possible. For second order में भी तो possible नहीं है. देख लो what is the unit of rate constant for second order reaction? For second order reaction this is mole inverse liter second inverse but unit is rate of reaction is this one. So your answer will be how much? Your answer will be zero order. In zero order reaction unit of rate constant is equal to the unit of rate of reaction. दोनों का unit same हो जाता है ना. और देख लो थोड़ा देखो second question is this one. Okay, this is the second question. Okay, now देख लो ना देखो. Okay, this question is available in your textbook. तुम लोग का ये सब textbook का question ही है ना. देखो identify the order of reaction from each of the following rate constant. Now I am going to give you some value of rate constant. हम value दे रहे हैं उसके बाद तुमको order identify करना पड़ेगा ना. देखो suppose this is the first part. Okay, suppose this is 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. This is what unit is second inverse. Clear? Now for this. Okay, now देखो I have a reaction. In my reaction value of K is this one. K equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 second inverse. So okay, what is the order of this reaction? Please see this unit. तुम लोग ये unit को देख लो second inverse. Don't see this value मत देखना because in the numericals values will be different. तुमको अलग अलग numericals में ना ये value difference मिल जाएगा. But this will be same. तुमको ये unit में same दिखाई देगा. Okay, now let's see second inverse. Okay, this is the unit of rate constant for which order? Now देखो for zero order reaction the unit of rate constant this one. For first order reaction देखो second inverse this second inverse. So okay, so obviously order will be how much? Order will be first order. This will be first order. Okay, because unit of rate constant for first order reaction is second inverse. Now let's say this second inverse, this second inverse. Don't see this value मत देखना. और एक दूसरा कर देते देखो. Number 2 k. Okay, suppose this is 10 to the power minus 5. Clear? Liter mole inverse second inverse. Okay, now let's say here, now let's say please see this unit को देख लो तुम लोग. What is the unit of rate constant? हाँ, in this case this is what, देखो liter mole inverse second inverse. So this will not be possible because here this is what. Now देखो mole liter inverse second inverse, ये दोनों सेम नहीं है. तुम इसको भी देखो, for zero order reaction का भी देखो, दोनों तो सेम नहीं है. ये तो नहीं होगा. For first order reaction unit of rate constant second inverse. Okay, this is also not possible. उसको second order में देख लो. This is what, देखो mole inverse, this is also mole inverse. देखो same हो रहा है, mole inverse mole inverse. So this is what, this is liter and this is what, this is second inverse. Again I repeat, ये दोनों सेम है. देख लो यहाँ पर लिटर है, यहाँ पर भी लिटर है, यहाँ पर भी मॉल इनवर्स है, यहाँ पर भी मॉल इनवर्स है. सो यहाँ पर भी सेकंड इनवर्स है, यहाँ पर भी सेकंड इनवर्स है. सो ओके, सो व्हाट इज द ऑर्डर भी हम आज दिस विल बी सेकंड ऑर्डर. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? ओके, please see this types of numericals for your board exam. This types of question has already asked in the previous year. ये board में आ चुका है. तुम लोग board का final exam का पेपर देखना. In board exam question will be like this. तुम लोग को ऐसा question दिखाई देगा. तुम लोग previous year का पेपर देखो, सब 5 years का पेपर देखो, तुम लोग को ये question मिल जाएगा. Okay, to know this please remember this units. ये units को remember करना. This and this one and this one. Clear? Okay, now और 2-3 न्यूमेरिकल्स करेंगे. हाँ, देख लो, उसके बाद नया टॉपिक शुरू करेंगे. देखो ऑर्डर भी सिखाया था. ऑर्डर इज नथिंग बट व्हाट, ऑर्डर ऑफ रेशियो इज नथिंग बट सम ऑफ द पावर्स ऑफ द कंसंट्रेशन टर्म्स इन द रेट एक्सप्रेशन. रेट एक्सप्रेशन में जो कंसंट्रेशन का पावर है ना, उसको ऐड कर देना, यू विल गेट ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन. मैंने सिखाया था ना तुम लोग को. हाँ, क्लास देखो तुम लोग ना. देखो now let's say I am going to give you two rate expression. From this you can calculate the overall order of reaction. Means just add the powers of the concentration terms. Okay, now देखो first thing is this one. This question is also in textbook. ये तुम लोग का ना textbook का ही question है. textbook देख लो, textbook में ये सब है तुम लोग का question. now देखो suppose this is this one 1/2 and this is what, this is 3/2. For this reaction how can you calculate the order of reaction? इस reaction का order कितना होगा? This is the concentration term, this is the concentration terms. Thus add the powers of these two concentration term. ये दोनों concentration का power add कर लो, तुमको order ही मिल जाएगा. ऐसे लिखना. देखो order of reaction will be how much? 1/2 plus 3/2. This will be what? LCM ले लेना. This will be what? 1 plus 3. This will be what? 4/2. This is 3. This will be 2. Okay. Now just add करना दोनों को. This and this. After taking LCM, you will get this one. Clear? Now एक दूसरा दिखाएंगे. देख लो. Number 2. Rate. This is K A 3/2. This is 2. And this is what? B to the power minus 1. This will be order of reaction. This will be how much? 3/2. Just add करना plus. Okay, दोनों powers को add कर देना. और minus. Okay, if there is minus, just put bracket में लिख देना. Easy लगेगा तुम लोग को. 3/2 minus 1. This will be how much? 2, 3. This will be what? Taking LCM. This will be what? 1/2. Clear? Now देख लो. This 3/2 is this one. Order means what? Sum of the powers. दोनों को sum करना. उसके बाद minus हो तो bracket में लिख देना. Minus after taking LCM you will get this one. Okay? In this way you can calculate the order of reaction. समझ में आ रहा है तुम लोग को? Now देखो Now for this reaction, now let's say S star, okay, plus H plus hydrogen ion come from acid. ये acid से आता है. This is an organic compound S star. You will get what? You will get alcohol. This is acid. This acid means carboxylic acid. है ये carboxylic acid है. These are all organic compounds. This is alcohol. This is acid. For this reaction, rate is this one. एक reaction दिया गया. डरना मत तुम लोग. Reaction को एक reaction दे रहा है तुम लोग को और इसका rate भी दे रहा है. So order इसका order कितना होगा? Just add करना power को. Answer you will get the answer. Now देखो order कितना होगा? Order of reaction. Order of reaction. This is what? This is power is what? Power is 1. 1 plus 0. This will be how much? This will be 1. So order will be how much? Order will be 1. Clear? This 0, this 0. Okay? Means it is very easy to calculate the order of reaction. To know order of reaction, you should know the rate of the reaction. From the rate expression, you calculate the order of reaction. Rate expression से तुमको order मिल जाएगा. Clear? Okay? Now let's see. The decomposition of ammonia on a platinum surface. Here ammonia has been decomposed to what? To nitrogen and what? Nitrogen and hydrogen. Now let's see the decomposition of ammonia on platinum surface is a zero order reaction having K. This K means rate constant. Okay, एक reaction दे रहा है हाँ तुम लोग को. This is zero order reaction. इसको notice करना तुम लोग हाँ. This is very important हाँ. This is zero order reaction and तुमको ना इस reaction का rate constant का value दिया गया है. जिससे reaction in this reaction rate constant का value ये है 2.5 into 10 to the minus 4 mole liter per second inverse. Clear? Okay, now calculate. Now let's see what are the okay. What are the rate of okay? What are the rate of now? What are the rates of production of N2 and H2? Okay. In this question, you are going to calculate the rate of production of what? Nitrogen and hydrogen. Nitrogen and hydrogen का rate of production क्या होगा? Now देख लो. Okay. Solution. पर रिएक्शन इज जीरो ऑर्डर. तुम लोग को बोल रहा है कि रिएक्शन जीरो ऑर्डर है. इसका रेट कांस्टेंट का वैल्यू भी दे रहा है हाँ. ना देखो फॉर द रिएक्शन ऐसे लिखना तुम लोग. देखो फॉर द रिएक्शन दिस इज द रेट कांस्टेंट हाँ. दिस इज द रिएक्शन को देख लो. This is PT, okay. In my previous classes, I have discussed about this reaction here. Platinum acts as a catalyst. In this reaction, a catalyst का काम कर रहा है हाँ platinum. And this is a zero order reaction. N2 plus what? Plus CH2. For this reaction, first write down rate. You already know rate कैसे लिखते हैं. देखो, this is reactant, so this will be what? This will be minus. This will be how much? 1/2. This is what? This is DNS3 by what? By dt. And this is what? Nitrogen dN2 by dt. And this is what? 1/3 dH2 by dt. Clear? Okay. This is the minus means what? Due to reactant. This is product plus. This is also product plus. Now let's see. Okay. For a zero order reaction. Okay. Now let's see. for a zero order reaction. For a zero order reaction, okay, we have okay, rate equal to how much? Rate equal to k. For a zero order reaction, rate equal to k. okay, इस तरह से देख लेना. देखो, for zero order reaction, suppose reaction is zero order. For zero order reaction, okay, for zero order reaction, okay, rate is what? Rate is k what? K a to the power how much? A to the power 0. So will be what? This will be how much? This will be rate equal to how much? Rate equal to k. Anything to the power now देखो. Anything to 0 means 1. So this will be what? K. This will be k. K will be how much? Rate. In that equal to what? Rate for zero duration, rate equal to rate constant. So you can write like this. Rate equal to k. Now from this now देखो. Therefore देखो. In place of now let's say in place of rate you can write k. ये rate के जगह ना तुम k भी लिख सकते हो. दोनों देखो दोनों को देख लो सेम है. Rate equal to k. So in place of you can write k. Now let's see what the value of rate constant. Value कितना है देखो. 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 mole liter per second reverse. K का value भी दिया गया है. So हाँ we cannot have. Therefore in place of rate you can write k. Now देखो this will be how much? Minus 1/2 dns3 by dt. This will be how much? dn2 by dt. And this is how much? 1/3 dh2 by dt. This whole d is equal to rate. So rate equal to k. In place of rate you can write what? You can write k. Now rate के जगह तुम k भी लिख सकते हो. देखो हाँ, because rate is equal to k. After that देखो और 1/2 d ns3 by how much? By dt. Next will be how much? dn2 by dt. Next what? This is 1/3 dh2 by dt. So in place of k just value put कर देना. ये 2.5 into what? 10 to the minus 4. 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 4. This is what? mol liter inverse second inverse. Clear? देख लो. Again I repeat. मैं repeat कर देता हूँ. This हाँ, okay. Now rate equal to this one. Okay. This term equal to this term equal to this term. And for zero order reaction, rate equal to how much k? यहाँ से भी देख सकते हो तुम लोग. हाँ, zero order reaction में rate equal to k होता है. In place of rate, in rate के जगह तुम क्या लिख सकते हो? Rate के जगह तुम k लिख सकते हो. And what is the value of k? K का value ये है. देखो ये this is the value of rate constant. Okay, in the question according to question. Okay, now let's see. You are going to calculate the rate of production of what? Production of nitrogen and what? Nitrogen and hydrogen. So production will be how much? कितना होगा देखो. ना देखो rate of production अपना देखो rate okay rate of production of how much? Rate of production of nitrogen. This will be how much? This is the rate of production. Means what? Here nitrogen, okay, nitrogen here is product. So this will be how much? This will be dn2. Now देखो rate of production of nitrogen how much? dn2 by dt equal to. now देखो this term just equate to this term. इसको equate करते ना. देखो dn2 by dt obviously this one ना. So this will be how much? 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 4. This will be how much? This will be mol liter inverse second inverse. Clear? Now this is the first part, rate of production nitrogen. So here rate of production of hydrogen will be how much? देखो hydrogen का value देखो rate of production of hydrogen will be how much? Rate of production of hydrogen will be, now this write like this. This is what? dh2 by dt. Okay, this is the rate of production of hydrogen. This term is this term देखो ये term है देखो rate of production of hydrogen. This 3 will go what? This 3 will be multiply with this one. ये कहाँ जाएगा? इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देना. मैंने इस टाइप सब न्यूमेरिकल्स मैंने लास्ट प्रीवियस क्लास में बहुत सारे किया था. इसको दिस इंटू दिस देखो 3 into 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 4. This will be how much? mol liter inverse second inverse. So into कर देना देखो इसको into कर देना देखो. This will be how much? 15. This will be how much? 6 7. This will be 7.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 mol what? mol liter inverse second inverse. क्लियर समझ में आ रहा है थोड़ा रिपीट कर देता हूँ रेट ऑफ इफ यू आर गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट रेट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ नाइट्रोजन सो यू कैन राइट लाइक दिस dN2/dt this term so this equal to how much this equal to 2.5 into 10 to the minus 4 next rate of production of hydrogen is this term this is the rate of production of hydrogen so this will be how much this will obviously multiply with this factor ना ये इससे ही multiply होगा ना कहाँ जाएगा ये देखो 3 into 2.5 will into 10 to the minus 4 mole 10% after simplify you will get this one clear समझ में आ रहा है तुम लोग को okay now let's see Okay, now let's see. From the following rate expression of the reactions, okay, determine their order of reaction and the dimension of rate constant. This is also in your textbook. A textbook का ही question है ना देखो. I'm going to write some reaction and also their rate expression. ना देखो. First one देखो. This is okay now देखो this is the reaction okay for this reaction okay rate expression is this one इस reaction का ना तुमको ना rate expression भी दे रहा है ना देखो rate equal to how much rate equal to K(C2H5Cl) now let's see this compound is okay this is ethyl chloride okay the name of this compound is ethyl chloride IUPAC name is chloroethane okay this is the organic compound this is ethene and you already know this is what this is hydrogen chloride again I repeat this is ethyl chloride this is ethene this is HCl this is the reaction for this reaction rate is this one now देखो there are two part of the question first part you have to calculate what first part you have to calculate order of reaction तुम लोग को ना इस reaction का ना order भी निकालना पड़ेगा and उसके बाद and उसके बाद तुमको dimension of rate constant का dimension भी निकालना पड़ेगा now देखो for the reaction ऐसे लिखना solution for the reaction ऐसे reaction rate is just for the reaction को लिखना C2H5Cl next this is what C2H4G and what and HCl okay rate okay rate will be how much rate this is according to question for this reaction rate is this one okay K this is what C2H5 this is Cl so order of reaction will be how much here power is what power is 1 so therefore order of reaction will be 1 okay therefore order of reaction will be power is 1 okay now this is the first part of the question this order this one and dimension of the rate constant is rate constant का dimension भी निकालना पड़ेगा now देखो dimension of rate constant इस तरह से लिखो देखो dimension of rate constant this will be how much this will be symbol is what symbol is K okay from this now देखो dimension of rate constant K will be how much rate by how much rate by C2H5Cl ऐसे लिखना rate divided by how much divided by C2H5 Cl. Okay, so what is the unit of rate? Rate का यूनिट तो जानते हो, mol what? Mol liter inverse second inverse. This is the molar concentration. Unit is what? Mol per mass, mol per liter. So this term will be cancelled. This will be cancelled. So the unit will be what? Unit will be second inverse. Clear? Now देखो, there is a reaction and for this reaction rate expression has been given. एक reaction दिया गया है, उस reaction का ना तुम लोग को क्या rate expression भी दिया गया है, ये देखो rate expression. Clear? तुमको ना उसका order निकालना पड़ेगा and उसके बाद what? इसके बाद dimension of rate constant. This is the order 1 and dimension of rate constant K is what? Rate by this one. Put this unit, you will get second inverse. Okay? Clear? Now देखो एक दूसरा न्यूमेरिकल्स भी देख लो. This is number 1. सब टेक्स्ट बुक में है, तुम लोग टेक्स्ट बुक फॉलो करना पर वेरी केयरफुली. हाँ, ऑल ऑफ यू फॉलो टेक्स्ट बुक वेरी केयरफुली. ओके, टेक्स्ट बुक से ही आता है मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन इन बोर्ड एग्जाम, टेक्स्ट बुक से ही आता है तुम लोग को. नंबर 2, दिस इज नंबर 2 प्रॉब्लम. ना देखो रिएक्शन को देख लो. ओके, दिस है द नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड इज इथानेल. ये इथानेल है. हाँ देखो इथानेल. ओके, दिस इज एल्डिहाइड. ये एल्डिहाइड है. ओके, इथानेल इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ एल्डिहाइड. ये एल्डिहाइड का एक एग्जांपल है इथानेल. दिस इज मीथेन. दिस इज CO कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड. इसका स्पेलिंग देख लो. दिस इज नॉट इथानॉल, दिस इज इथानेल एल्डिहाइड. ओके, ETHANAL ethanal. Okay, aldehyde. Okay, for this reaction, okay, rate has been given. Rate is this one. Okay, power 3/2. So first part order of reaction same similar to previous question. ना देखो ऐसा लिखना for the reaction. For the reaction को लिख लेना. देखो this is a what? CH3 CHO. This is what? Same. हाँ, similar to previous one. पहले जैसे क्या था ऐसे ही है. हाँ, now this is CO. So rate is what? What the rate expression for this reaction? Rate expression is this one. K CH3 CHO to the power mass 3/2. So order of reaction will be how much? Order of reaction will be how much? 3/2. This is the order. Okay. Next part is what? Dimension. Okay. Dimension कैसे आएगा? Dimension of rate constant. डायमेंशन कैसे आएगा? डायमेंशन ऑफ रेट कांस्टेंट के. दिस विल बी हाउ मच? रेट बाय दिस वन. रेट दिस विल बी हाउ मच? दिस इज CH3 हाउ मच? CH3 CHO बाय हाउ मच? बाय 3/2. सो के विल बी व्हाट? के विल बी दिस के. सो रेट बाय हाउ मच? रेट बाय दिस पार्ट. ओके, ना आफ्टर देखो व्हाट इज यूनिट ऑफ रेट? रेट का यूनिट क्या था? मोल लीटर इनवर्स सेकंड इनवर्स. नाउ दिस इज द कंसंट्रेशन टर्म. दिस इज व्हाट? मोल लीटर इनवर्स टू द पावर हाउ मच? टू द पावर 3/2. उसके बाद सॉल्व करना ना देखो. हाँ, उसके बाद ना देखो K इक्वल टू दिस इज मोल लीटर इनवर्स सेकंड इनवर्स. दिस इज हाउ मच? दिस इज मोल टू द पावर 3/2 एंड दिस इज व्हाट? लीटर माइनस 3/2. क्लियर? देखो मोल लीटर इनवर्स सेकंड इनवर्स मेरे पास भी है. देख लो देखो. एंड दिस इज व्हाट? मोल टू द पावर हाउ मच? 3/2. देखो मोल टू द पावर 3/2 एंड व्हाट? लीटर टू द पावर 3/2. 1 माइनस इज देयर. एक माइनस भी है यहाँ पर, देख लेना तुम लोग. हाँ, उसको सॉल्व करो. के दिस विल बी हाउ मच? मोल. ओके, ना देखो पावर इज 1. यहाँ पर 1 है. ये ऊपर जाएगा तो क्या होगा? ये दिस इज 1. ये ऊपर जाएगा तो क्या होगा? मोल टू द पावर माइनस 3/2. दिस इज ओके. लीटर ऊपर जाएगा तो क्या होगा? माइनस ऊपर जाएगा तो क्या होगा? 3/2 एंड सेकंड इनवर्स इज रिमेनिंग पार्ट. ओके, ना फ्रॉम दिस दिस विल बी हाउ मच? के. इसको पावर को क्या होता है? पावर ऐड हो जाता है. दिस विल बी हाउ मच? 1 माइनस 3/2. दिस इज हाउ मच? दिस इज लीटर 3/2 s to the power minus 1. After solve this will be how much? Mol to the power minus. Okay, this will be how much? 2 minus 3 liter 3/2 second inverse. Okay, this will be how much? Mol. This will be 1 minus 1/2 liter 3/2 second inverse. Clear? समझ में आ रहा है? लेकिन मैं थोड़ा दिखा देता हूँ. देखो, this part is this part. ये part है. Clear? And next part is what? Mol to the power 3/2. Mol to the power liter हुआ. Liter to the power minus 3/2. This mol. Okay, this mol, this one. Power is what? Power is 1. ये ऊपर जाएगा तो क्या होगा? 3/2 ऊपर जाएगा तो क्या होगा? दिस विल बी -3/2. इसको भी ऊपर ले जाओ, +3/2. second inverse. This is what power add ही होता है ना देखो 1 this is what plus minus minus 1 minus 3 by 2 LCM ले लेना तुम लोग LCM this will be how much 2 minus 3 by 2 so what 2 minus 3 means what minus 1 by 2 this is what this is minus 1 by 2 this is minus this is 1 okay 1 by 2 this is this part 3 by 2 and this is what second inverse okay this is the dimension of rate constant order क्या था order this order of the reaction is what 3 by 2 this is 3 by 2 this is 3 by 2 you can beside it there are similar numericals in the textbook okay before that please see these two numericals you can easily do that numericals okay कुछ problem हुआ तो बोल देना okay next class I will begin a new topics okay clear